Hi friends! Alam mo bang sa murang halaga, caring-carry mo nang mag-start ng negosyo? Meron akong bago na discover dito kay Lola of Rings Delight, fresh cashew nuts. Legit na mabilis silang mag-deliver and well-packed pa, di nyo kaya. Perfect kasing kabog yung packaging nila dito ha, 120 grams sa to per pack, free rebranding pa friends, winner! Yung inabil ko here is yung negosyo trial package nila for as low as 1,245 pesos, carry mo na mag-start ng business. Legit na very muraita sapagkat because 12 pouches of cashew nuts na yan. Perfect! 3 pieces yung adobo, 3 pieces din yung spicy adobo, 6 naman yung roasted flavor. May free pa. Bala ka kung ano pang gusto mo. Chares. Solid to ha. As in, sulit na talaga. Very malasa, masarap, malutong, hindi tinipid. Marami yung laman at the same time nakaka-healthy pa. Di mo kaya. Kaya naman, if you're looking for very affordable, sulit, pang malakasang negosyo, Lola of Rings Delight Cashew Nuts is perfect for you. For orders or more infos, lagay ko na lang yung link sa baba.